Hi, Tim. Good evening. Hi, Aman. Hi, Shiv Kumar. Hi, Ramakrishna Raju, Bharati, Aman. Guys, change your name. Maybe it will be difficult to me. Admin, someone joined with name admin. Basuraj. So we'll start session in a couple of minutes. Meanwhile, if
Hey
anyone
guys,
have questions, maybe you can ask me, guys. Anyone have questions, team? Anyone have questions, doubts? Yeah. Hi, Indra.
hi Mahesh, hi everyone. Good evening, guys.
Hi, good evening, Indrajit.
How are you all?
Doing great. How about you?
Doing good. So, guys, this is the first session for Power Platform batch. So, we will take this 5 to 7 minutes. You guys can go ahead and ask any doubts that you have related to Power Platform. So, meanwhile, other people are joining in. So, then we will get started at 6:05. Make sense?
Yes,
Any
Indra.
doubt if you have related to career, related to Power Platform, you guys can go ahead.
Can I go ahead, Indra? Shrikant here.
Yeah, go ahead.
Indra, hi, how are you? So,
I'm good. How
uh,
about you?
I'm also good, Indra. So, Indra, I'm having like 3 years experience in UI UX design. And
Okay.
the company where I used to work earlier, they used to do their projects mainly on Power Platforms. So, now, I have like a 8 month career gap because of my health. And
Okay.
have always wanted to learn Power Platforms because I used to design for them, for the company. So they used
Okay.
to tell me, कि ऐसे design करना so that this can be developed easily. So I have a brief
Okay.
idea, about the Figma kit, about the canvas design. So I wanted to ask you, like, basically, given on that experience, will I be able to get a fresher job? I mean, considering that I'm not from a core tech background and I just know about Power Apps.
Yeah, so Shrikant, what you can do, you already have 8 years, sorry, 3 years of experience, right? And you have some experience in design. So you can go
Uh-huh.
through the course. So from the course, you will be getting, I would say, everything relevant to the industry, okay? So then you
Uh-huh.
can go ahead, update your CV instead of telling to the recruiters or the interviews that you have worked on the designing part only. You can say like you have implemented also, right? Because you are
Right.
already familiar with the design and implementation skill you will be getting from here. And here
Uh-huh.
everything will be project driven. You will be creating multiple projects in this tenure, and I don't feel any issue there. So you already have experience, so it will be easy for you, it seems.
Okay,
Provided
Inder.
like if you are working on the projects, right?
Right. So, in there also
Yeah.
one more thing. I'm not from a coding background, like a totally creative person, design person. So, just wanted to ask you, like, how will the learning curve be? Definitely, I'll be attending the classes, but just wanted to know beforehand, before stepping in, that
Yeah,
what is the.
that is a very, I would say, I would simplify most of the things for you. So if you know the logic building, basic logic building, like you're from which domain, Shrikant? Like if you can help
So,
me, like in which
I've studied
uh,
design diploma.
design diploma, right?
Yeah.
So in design diploma, like you must be having some problems, right? Where you are solving the logical problem, right? Like when you are
Right.
designing something, you are thinking logically, right? How people will be able
Correct.
to interact and all. So in the
Right.
same way, you have to acquire those skills. You have to think in very granular manner. Like if something you are trying to implement, right? So how people
Mhm.
will be interacting, like what you as a system would do, right? So then
Uh-huh.
once you have that skill of thinking the problem, I guess, so then 50% of the problem is solved with the mental conditioning itself. So once you know what to do, so then implement that thing is not a issue nowadays, right?
Right. And I was scared of syntax in there, actually, honestly, so much
No
of
worries, you
syntax.
will be doing lot of stuff here.
Okay.
So syntax part will be clarified here. Only thing which is required from you and is to practice the stuff to create the
Right.
projects. So if you are putting in your honest effort there, so I don't feel any issue like you're not getting what to say results out of it.
Okay, no, thank you so much. I think that's all I had to ask.
Yes, cool. Anyone else?
Hi sir, this is Baswa.
Yeah, hi Baswa, go ahead.
So I'm a fresher, a MBA postgraduate. My finance and HR my domain, like
Okay.
my education background. Is this helpful for Power Platform, my career?
Yeah, yeah. Look, Raju, like this Power Platform is the hot tech in the market right now. Okay,
Yes.
and lot of openings. Might be as a fresher, you will have a little less calls which is coming your way because like it is mostly working professional. People are looking for 2 to 3 years of experience. But again, like once you have the knowledge, you can go ahead and apply somewhere in the organizations, and then you can basically get it forward from there. So I would not
Yes.
lie, like being a fresher, you will not, if experienced people is getting 10 calls, might be being a fresher, you will get 2 calls only. Okay. So, but then you have to be very, I would say, consistent enough to make out of those calls. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Sir.
Yes.
Some persons is say something like fresher we got not a something calls, right. That's why some I can ask this question.
Yeah, you will be getting it, but not as far as like the number will not be similar to the experienced guy. So again, like if you can arrange something in the experience via term, and obviously you will be getting the knowledge from here, and then you can easily pivot your career. So in the previous batch, like there were few people who were working in operations. So 7, 8 years of experience in operations. So they learned the stuff from here, and then they got good job with 100%, 120% hike. So it depends basically individual to individual basis how you are handling it. Here is one more guy like Raju, similar to you. Mudassir was also a fresher before he joins the course, and now he's there in the class. So he has attended everything. So he will be joining us for Power BI module now. So you can ask your experience from him, like how it was for him, because he was also fresher and very raw before joining the course. Mudassir, would you like to add something to Raju?
Yeah, yeah. First of all, thank you. Yeah, the way of teaching the Indra is taught. It's very understandable and convenient, and to implement project also it helped me a lot.
Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah, that is fine, Mudassir. Thanks for that. So basically, like, can you give him some tips, like how you basically digested all the things because being a fresher, everything was new for you, right? So did you face
yes.
any issues or it was streamlined for you?
Yeah. Initially, I faced a lot of issues, like I was not able to understand. But when I
Yeah.
was practicing daily, daily 1 to 2 hours, in I'm taking time. I was making time for each class recording, so I was able to understand. And one tip I can give is after the class, please complete the whatever practice class, practice it as early as possible, so that it will help you to maintain your flow.
Yes, correct. Thank you, Mudassir. So this is the very, I would say, important thing. So you have to practice the stuff. So, guys, I will take one more question and then I will start the class because we have hot stop at 7 p.m. So I have to cover the content and as well as I have to answer the questions also. So nothing to worry if something gets left, if something left unanswered, we will have 5 free classes. Okay, so you can go ahead and ask your questions in the next session. So yeah, this is how it is. So anyone else would like to ask any question? Okay, I'll take silence as no. So let me share my screen. Please do let me know once you guys are able to see it. Is it coming up?
Yes.
Visible? Mm. So guys, welcome. Yes, a data vision. So you are here for Power Platform module, and this is the course that we have designed for Power Platform. And let me start with the content. So this is the first preview session. So first thing first, I will start with my introduction, who I am. So I'm Indrajit Singh. I have six plus years of experience in IT industry. So I'm expert in Microsoft products. I have experience in data analytics as well as data engineering domain. I am certified Power BI and Power Platform developer, and I have expertise in working in banking domain, healthcare domain, automobile industries, and so on. And currently, I'm working as a lead engineer at Striker and associated with KSR Datavizon as a mentor. I have 3 years of training experience in both online and offline classes, and I'm a certified Microsoft trainer also. Okay, so this is all about me. So I think it is very important to know the guy, like from whom you are getting the knowledge. And I have relevant experience in Power Platform and Dynamics. So this is all about me. So what we will be discussing today, we will be discussing what Power Platform is, what you can expect from us, and if you have any questions related to Power Platform, related to us, so I will be here to answer all those questions. Okay. So first thing first, guys, like who will tell me, like, have you ever heard about Power Platform? What Power Platform is as per you?
It's an app to build quick business solutions in the same environment.
Okay. So anyone else? Is anyone else like to add anything? Cool. So guys, how many of you are aware about Office 365 solution, which is there? Office 365 comes with free laptop that you buy, right? With the Windows. Guys, have you ever heard of Notepad,
Yes, in this. And then the MS Excel, PowerPoint stack, MS Office.
Word,
Excel, Word,
Excel, right?
PowerPoint.
So this is nothing more. This is the framework provided by Microsoft or the family of product, which is there to solve a particular problem, right? Notepad is making for notes. WordPad is Word is for MS Word is for making like documents, right? Similarly, Excel is for data visualization and analysis stuff, right? Similarly, you have PowerPoint. We are using PowerPoint here, right? So PowerPoint is nothing more. This is also again one of the product from Office 365 family itself, isn't it? So this is how it is. So similarly, it is by which organization? Office 365 guys? Amazon? Google?
Microsoft.
Microsoft.
It is from Microsoft, right? So similarly, now Microsoft has introduced a tech stack called as Power Platform, which will help you create business applications, solve business problems. Okay. So in Microsoft, what are the products which are there? So you have Power BI, you have Power Apps, right? You have Power Automate, then you have Copilot Studio. Then fifth one, which is there, is called as, let me bring it here, is called as Power Pages. So previously, like it is a part of Power Apps only. Now the Microsoft has went ahead, they decoupled it from here, and now they have added it as a fifth product in the family called as Power Pages. Okay. So now you let us see what this product does in one line. So what Power BI will do, guys? In Power BI, what you will be able to do?
Creating the dashboards.
Dashboards, right? So dashboards, it is nothing but it is a data analysis and visualization solution in Power Platform, right? Can we say that?
So
Similarly, Power Apps is the solution with the help of which you can create your applications, business applications, correct? Making sense? And with the help of Power Automate, you can create automations. Automations as in like when you are doing something, you want to do something automatically behind the scenes. So this will help you in that. So Copilot Studio, guys. This is nothing but a chat bot, right? Power Pages is for websites. Now, guys, think about any system around you. Let it be anything, your bank application, let it be any application around you. It can be Amazon, it can be Flipkart. So it is working on all these pillars, right? Can
Yes, Naveen.
someone take application and try to explain how every product is like relevant in that?
So, suppose if we take a Airtel payment app in there, so on the
Yeah.
dashboard we can see what all services and how much we are using it. Like, so much of data has been used and so much is left, which can be a Power BI dashboard integration. Then we can see that there is a system to pay the bill, which can be a Power App, like a module in the dashboard where we can go and pay the bill. And Power Automate maybe automated messages to tell me that I have to pay my bill reminders. And Copilot, where we ask something to the Airtel app, um, like give fetch me my 6 month previous bill, or I need a new internet connection. And Power Pages, not really sure in that, like, because I haven't seen that integration. Hello.
Okay, okay, okay. Yeah, yeah, yeah. That
Yes,
makes
Amit.
sense. So you are able to relate, right? Everything which you see around you, all the everything has all these components, right? So similarly, why this Power Platform is lot there in the market? Why everyone is looking for Power Platform developer? Because with this you can create entire product in the Microsoft ecosystem itself, right? And the beauty of this is you can go ahead and integrate these products together. You can integrate Power BI here. You can integrate Power Apps with Power Automate. Similarly, Copilot you can embed. Similarly, Power Pages is also integrated. So all these products can be integrated with each other. Okay. So that's why like it is lot there in the market right now, and you can see that was around you, right? So now let me go one more level down, how it is bifurcated. So Power Apps is divided into two categories, right? So what are the two categories which Power Apps is divided? Canvas apps, and you have model driven apps, right? Again, like I will tell you one word for each, what it means, and we will be seeing it in much more detail in the course. What is the difference? So in Canvas app, these are UI based app. So basically, you can define any UI here. Like there was a guy in our class, right? So okay, let me see who it was. It was Shrikant, right? So Shrikant has a domain knowledge in UI UX. So whatever he designed for you, so you can implement that with the help of Canvas app. Okay. So in Canvas app, you are independent to choose any UI and develop it. But in data driven app, these are data focused app, model driven and data focused app. So here you can't have customized UI. So here the main priority is data. Okay. So then Power Automate is divided into again two categories: cloud flows and then desktop flows. So cloud flow means like here you will be able to do the automation in the cloud infrastructure. Cloud infrastructures are Office 365, right? Like Azure is cloud. Then you have OneDrive, SharePoint, etc. So if you want to do any automation here, so with the help of cloud flows you can do. And if you want to do any desktop automation, so then you can use Power Automate Desktop Flow for that. And this is also competes in a separate, I would say, domain called as RPA. RPA stands for Robotics Process Automation. So might be someone of you will be from this domain also, like who are UiPath developers and who are what to say, Blue Prism developer or Automation Anywhere developers. So now organizations are moving from all these products to desktop. Okay, so robotics process automation. So this is all about Power Platform. So with this, with Power Platform, the data source also comes. The data storage solution which comes out of the box is called as Dataverse. And what else you can do? You can leverage the AI capabilities, artificial intelligence capability with something called as AI Hub. HUV Hub, which was previously called as AI Builder. Okay. So guys, this is all about what Power Platform is. So is it clear to everyone? Are you having any doubt?
So, Inder, just had a question. Are we
Yeah.
going to deep dive into each of the product, like you said, RPA? Programmers might be here. So, like as a layman who is entering the course, are we going to deep dive into each of the technology?
You will.
Okay, then got it.
We will start from very scratch, right from the product walkthrough to all the advanced feature. So nothing will be missed here. Everything we will be covering from scratch, right from implementation to integration between the products. Okay. Clear?
Yes, Inder, got it.
Okay. So guys, with Power Platform, this is the tech stack that you have. So with this tech stack, you will be like once you know everything, so then you can become Power Platform developer, architect, or whatever you feel, whatever you want to become. Okay. So now this Power Platform act as a foundation for many other job roles. Okay. So if you know entire Power Platform and you want to go into some pro code development, so then you can go ahead with this. And with model driven apps, you can learn integration of JavaScript and plugins, C sharp plugins, and then you can become something called as CRM developer. That is MSD CRM, Microsoft Dynamics CRM. So again, like there are multiple CRMs in the market, like Salesforce is there, like SAP is there, and there are a lot many, right? So this competes with that space also. So it is competing with multiple job roles. So that's why like it is having that demand in the market right now. Clear? Okay. Cool guys. Now if someone will ask you about what is Power Platform, will you be able to explain in layman term the capabilities, what are the stuff which is there?
Yes, Inder.
Cool. So now guys, I'll quickly walk you through the presentation. Again, you will be able to relate everything in the presentation because I have explained it. If you're not able to relate, just stop me in between and ask the questions, whatever you have. Okay. Now you understood what is Power Platform. Now your next question will be who can learn Power Platform, right? So anyone like who don't want to do the pro coding and want to achieve the tangible results, so you can go ahead and opt for this. Anyone who is trying to switch from non-IT to IT, or who is working in some other role in operations or something and they want to switch, so then it is good choice for them. So then if you want to switch technology, you're already working as a RPA developer, if you're already working in some other stuff and you want to switch the technology to Power Platform to take advantage, it's a good choice for you. It's a good opportunities for fresher also because they can get the exposure here and they can implement the stuff end to end. And if you have some career gap, then also it's a good opportunity for you. And if you want to cross skill yourself, like suppose you already know Power BI and you want to learn other parameters in Power Platform, so then it's a good choice for you. So now what is Power Platform? This I think I have already explained what is Power Platform. So these are the products which are there. So who is Power Platform developer? So Power Platform developer is the one who knows what is Power BI, what is Power Apps, Power Automate, Copilot Studio, Power Pages, and we will be covering interview questions also. And then I always feel like getting a job is the byproduct of the hard work that you will be putting in. Okay, so again, like this is not a course where you will go ahead and I will train you like how to clear the interviews and all. I will train you how to get the skill, how to survive in the job after getting the interview. Because if your main focus is to clear the interviews, so then I think you can clear the interview by giving 40, 50 interviews, and after 40, 50 interviews everything will keep on repeating, right? But if your main focus is to acquire the skill, so then you are at the right place. So I will make sure like you'll get everything, whatever is there in Power Platform. Okay. So this is the certification path for Power Platform. So this is the first certification, and that is PL-900 certification. So if you want to start with the certification, so it is my recommendation to you, go ahead and give first PL-900 certification. Then depending on you, like whatever you like, you can give from here. And this is the architect certification, which is PL-600. Okay. So now Power Platform developers, why it is in demand, as I am mentioning from since the beginning, like it is a low code, no code tool. So here, like you can create the project in very less time as compared to any other thing which is there, right, in the market. And there is high demand for digital transformation. Every organization wants to get digitally transformed nowadays. So it's a good choice for them. And there are shortage of skill developers. So when skill developer, I say why skill developer, I mean there are very less people in the market who know every aspect of our platform. There will be some people who are good with Canvas app, but they don't know model driven apps much. There will be some people who are good with Power BI, but they don't know Power Automate. So there are very less people in the market who know stuff end to end, and the integration out of this. So due to that, it is in demand and it's a rapidly growing market. When I say rapidly growing market, like there was a recent research done by Gartner. So then they have recognized Microsoft Power Platform as the leader of low code no code stuff. Okay, and if you go ahead and search on the Google low code no code market growth, it is growing by I guess 20+%, and it will be $1 billion market, I guess 400 billion or something. You can go ahead and check the numbers. You can verify the numbers. So it is a very rapidly growing market right, as of now. And it is very versatile platform as you have solution for everything that you can think of. So that's why Power Platform is in demand. This is the again the job portal snapshot that we have. There we have a lot of opportunities. You can go ahead and in the Naukri or LinkedIn or any job portal and you can search. You will be getting a lot of opportunities. So now who is a Power Platform developer? Power Platform developer is the one who knows Power BI, who knows Power Apps, Power Automate, Power Virtual Agents, who can connect to various data sources, AI builder capabilities, and then who can use all this infrastructure to solve the business problem, then that guy will be called as Power Platform developer. Okay, so Power Platform developer roles and responsibilities. You will be designing the application, you will be developing the application, you will be testing it, deploying it, maintaining it, and you will be collaborating with client for the continuous improvement plan. Okay, so you will be end to end responsible for everything. Then this is about Microsoft. Microsoft, I think it don't need any introduction. So it is backed by Microsoft. It is a product of Microsoft, and that's why like it is in demand. There are a lot of people in the services domain or any product domain, like because of the trust of the Microsoft, it is always be in demand. So now what you will be getting here from us at KSR Data Vision. So you will be getting almost 100 hours of content, 80 sessions, where 70 sessions will be taken by me and few sessions will be taken by a team as a placement sessions. Okay. And you will be working on 6 real-time project and lot of Power Automate flows. Okay. And you will be getting the license. So this is the USP of KSR Data Vision. No one in the market right now will provide you the license to practice. We will be providing you 1 year license, and you. So suppose um, you join. So suppose the candidate name is Sri. So you will be getting Sri at the rate ksrconsultantservices.com credential, which you can use to activate your licenses and practice. We will be giving you interview guidance. If you want to get your CV reviewed, you can go ahead, send it to me. I'll review it for you. I will be telling you how to like respond in the interview in the courses itself. Then we have some tie-up with the companies. Like when we will get some requirement, we can help you. References, like if someone has references, then there also we will help you, and we have a dedicated placement cell we have the session happening after every alternate day. You can go ahead, join the placement cell sessions, and they will help you in placements. So that is all. So these are all the few courses which are other courses which are offered by Microsoft, which was offered by KSR Datavizon. So you can go ahead and call on these numbers for more details. Okay. So now, before opening the forum for question and answers, let me show you the course curriculum. So you will be having these many modules. Okay. Power BI, Power Automate module, Power Apps module, a Copilot Studio module, and Admin Center, basic SQL and Excel manipulation, and project using cross integration. So we will be starting our batch with this Power BI module. Then we will be starting with Power Apps, Power as Canvas, model driven Dataverse, and the Power Pages. Then Power Automate module we will be working on, then Microsoft Copilot Studio. Okay. And then we will be working on Power Platform Admin Center. And this is the day-wise plan that we have for 80 days, and this will be shared alongside you. So then this is the plan that I have internally so that I'm not missing on anything. Just a sec. I need to get rid of this thing. Okay, here you go. So this is the plan for every module. So for Power BI, you will be having these many sessions. For Canvas app, topic-wise plan I have internally for me so that I'm not missing on anything in any of the batch. So everything we will be covering from very scratch, and we will be finishing here after almost 4 months. Okay. So this is all about today's session. So now guys, whatever doubts you have, you go ahead one by one. So then I will try to answer your questions, whatever you have. Let me try to stop here. And yeah. Guys, any questions? All clear?
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, Shweta.
Yeah, sir. Actually, few days back, I have called Mahesh sir. So he has enrolled me in this. So he asked me to join first few days of this intro classes and all to know much about this Power BI, Power Platform and all. So the other girl also has told me if you have any queries, you can ask the trainer who is teaching you. So
Yeah.
hello, sir. So
Yes.
I have called Mahesh sir to ask about full stack Power BI. So regarding that, I have few doubts. Is this the time? Can I talk to you here or?
Yeah. So want to talk about full stack Power BI, or you want to talk about Power Platform basically, or you are confused where to go?
Yes, exactly. I'm confused and I have a career gap. So this is my thing. So which thing
So
might
before
help
career
me?
gap, Shweta, do you have some experience?
No, sir. No, sir. No, I have placed in Cognizant, but because of my family reasons and all, I couldn't join over there. So I don't have any working experience as of now. As a fresher only, I have to join, sir.
Look, Shweta, like in both Power BI as and this thing, Power Platform, as a fresher, again, like it will be little tough to get the calls, okay? But once you
Okay.
have something, right? So once you have some experience, then if I talk about the current market trend, Power
Okay.
Platform will have much more opportunities. And if you talk about CTC wise also, so Power
Okay.
Platform will be having much more growth as compared to Power BI.
Okay. So I mean, I need to know like what are included in both Power BI. What is the difference? Like, what are the modules
Power
included
BI,
instead of?
in Power BI full stack, you will be getting a cloud, I guess, and they will talk you about through Power
Azure
BI.
data
Yes,
piping
yeah,
service.
correct. And it will be kind of data analyst course. Okay.
Okay.
So data analyst, like you can also do your research, but currently in the market, I don't feel like it is the same as it was in 2020. It has
Okay.
declined a lot.
Okay.
Yeah.
Then Power Platform, sir.
Power Platform is going good. Okay, I am working as a Power Platform developer from almost now. I will be completing 7 years in Jan. So I have seen a lot of people like in the previous batch itself, like the batch which we closed, I guess, uh,
Okay.
2 weeks back. So people got like there were few people who got placed and they everyone got 3-digit hike.
Okay.
Okay, again, like I'm not selling the thing by exaggerating, but that is the reality. There are few people in the class from the previous batch also. So because like they are here for Power BI module. So
Okay.
everyone who got placed, like they got good hikes only for Power Platform.
Acha, acha. No,
Yeah,
my thing is my main drawback is even though I have good academics, everything around 90s and all, but my
yeah.
drawback, including this career gap, I don't have any working experience. That is the main thing.
Yeah,
And
I think for that you can discuss with Shweta, you can discuss with Mahesh. So he can help you in that. So he's expert in all this stuff for clearing the gap and all. So might be he
okay.
can help you. But if you
Yeah, he
talk
told me
about
one thing. Sir, he told
technically,
me one,
yeah, yeah. Sorry.
he told he told me one option like he can provide with, but
Yeah,
for
that's fine.
me,
You don't need to discuss any option here. That's
yeah.
fine. You keep it with yourself. But if
Yeah, yeah, I'm not revealing, but he told me one
yeah,
option. But I am
yes,
here, I
yes.
have joined this session to talk to you. Is like which suits me better, like as
Look,
present
Shweta, like
trending.
it is your choice. Whatever
Okay,
like you feel is for you, you go ahead and choose that. I can tell you the pros and cons, right? So
okay,
consider me as a salesman in the showroom, right? I can tell you these
okay.
are the two dresses. This is the pros and cons of everything. This is the fabric, and
Yes,
this
yes,
is what it is like, right? So
yes.
then it is your choice. Like whatever might be, you are able to relate more in Power Platform, right? Not in Azure. Might be you are able to relate more in Azure, right? Not in Power Platform. But if
Okay,
you talk about opportunities wise, full stack Power BI course, like it will be little inferior to this thing. Why? Because of the opportunities. If you're going for data engineering, so then data engineering again, that is different story altogether.
what does it include, sir? See, I have called sir. I approached for my sir because one of my distant relative, they joined in this institute, and now she is working and she's earning a good salary, and who also has a career gap with zero experience. So
Yeah,
she
correct.
has told me, so why don't you try this? Why don't you try this? This is working well for me. Why don't you talk
So
to him?
are you good into coding, Shweta, by any chance?
No, I'm not into coding. I'm
Yeah,
not
so
into.
for data engineering, you need to be very good at with Python.
Okay. So I'm
Okay.
not into coding. I have selected Power BI only because it is non-coding, and I don't know
The
other things more than that.
bottom line is Shweta, like if you want to go for low code, no code, go
Hmm.
ahead for Power Platform without giving any thought.
Okay.
Okay. This
Okay.
is the bottom line that I want to tell you. Go ahead
Okay.
for Power Platform. Don't get yourself here and there for this thing. I will learn full stack Power BI and all. Because if you learn that, you will be considered as Power BI developer only, right? So now
Okay.
everyone, like with the help of this co-pilots and all, every organization wants people in the team who had experience to wide range of products, right?
Oh
So
yes.
while learning lot of other products, you are, I think you will be in much better position.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah, so then you
No.
already had a word with Mahesh, right? So then you can use that technique and do that,
Yes.
whatever he had
And
explained. I'm not sure what you
yes,
had
sir.
a
Yes,
word
sir.
with him. So
And this is a Power Platform is also no coding, right?
it's no coding.
Yeah. How long? I mean, how long is the duration of this course?
It's 3.5 to 4 months.
Okay. Okay. 4 months. Sir,
Yeah.
is how much? How much? Like is the percentage? Like I get into a company, I get a job. What is the this thing?
What is this thing means? Are you talking about CTCs?
I'm not worried about CTC, the opportunities. I mean, what percentage might be the opportunities that I can get? So,
Opportunities, look, like there are a lot of opportunities. You go ahead, like again, don't believe me. You go
okay,
ahead, do your own research. Go to
okay,
naukri.com, put filters
okay,
there, 2 years, 3 years of experience, and do the
okay,
research there. Okay.
okay, okay, okay,
Yeah, you don't have to believe me blindly for anything. Go ahead,
Mhm.
do your research. Again, we
Okay.
will be coming tomorrow, right? Go ahead,
Yes,
discuss with me. This is what I found.
yes, yes, yes. Okay, okay, sir. So, is
Okay.
there anything that I need to learn prior? I mean, I need to have a prior knowledge on anything before I join this power platform.
No, no, you should have good internet connection and a laptop. That's fine. Otherwise, other than that, everything I'll take care of.
Okay, okay, sir. Your name, sir?
Indra,
Indra. Okay. Thank you, sir. Tomorrow also we'll be having class at the same time, right?
same time, 6 to 7 every day.
Okay, okay. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Thank
Thank you for the
you.
info. Okay.
Thanks.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, Chiro.
Uh, Yeah, actually, I'm working as a Power BI developer, and I'm Power BI developer and Click developer also. I know
Hmm.
admin activities, and I'm working on admin also. It's been 6 years, but I just want to like transition from this data analytics. So I choose Snowflake and Azure Databricks and Power Platform. So which will be like what is your suggestion?
Okay, currently you are working as a Power BI developer and you want to
Yeah,
basically
better
pivot, correct?
opportunities. For better
Pivot.
opportunities, yeah,
So, Shweta, I guess you are getting your answer here, right?
Yes,
So,
sir.
Chiru is already working as a Power BI developer, so now he's looking for that thing. So,
Yes.
look, Chiru, again, like it depends on your, I would say, interest where you want to go. So now, as you're already a Power BI developer, you have few paths which are in front of you. You can go ahead if you want to pivot into data engineering side, right? I'm
yeah,
supposing like you are already working as a data analyst, you have good hold over
yeah,
that. So either you
yeah.
can go into data engineering side or you can add other stuff and go into this side, Power Platform side, right? So it is totally your choice. Again, data engineers, what will be the data engineers? Data engineers will be the guys who will clean the data for data scientists and data analysts, right?
Yes.
And who will be the Power Platform developers? Power Platform developers will be developing the business applications and everything, right? So now with the shift of AI, everyone wants to move to AI, everyone wants to have fast-paced development cycle. So what I predict and what I have seen, like in these years, the demand for this Power Platform has increased because in an organization you might require 10 to 15 data engineers, right?
Yeah.
Isn't it? So,
Yes.
like, if you want to, if you are already working professional, you already know Power BI. If you want to do the easy path and the rewarding path, I guess Power Platform. But if you want to go ahead into data engineering, that is also good choice. You will be having high paid career there also. But there you need to go, there you need to be the good engineer. Okay.
Yeah. Actually, why I'm asking this question is like every 10 years that a new tool or new things, new technology will come, right?
That
Like
is,
for
that will
example,
happen, Chiru. Like, it is IT, right? So,
yeah. Previously, it was like everyone telling that Click is the number one BI tool, then Tableau, then Power BI. So
Tableau,
like
then Power
every time
BI.
I'm learning these things,
Yes, yes.
so I just want to settle the, like one platform
Yeah,
like
I'm telling you
SAP.
the current scenario. Like I can't predict the future, but this is how the current scenario is. So, and with the Power Platform, you have things to upskill and you can go ahead for other roles also, right? I said you Power Platform plus Dynamics developer. So if you
Yeah.
have both the skills, so then you can easily go into 30 plus LPA also, okay, with Power
Yeah.
Platform. But if you want to with Power Platform only, so then 4 or 5 years experience of guy will get 25 up to 25, I would say. Not, I will not give you very, I would say, aspirational number, but this is the conservative side number. Just even yesterday itself, I was having a this thing with contact with the recruiter. So she
Yeah.
was hiring for an organization called as Product Based Organization, and they were having a budget up to 25 LPA. So this reminds me, Aman, like, are you on notice period now?
No, actually, I'm not serving notice period. It's been 6 years. Like I have 6 years of experience as a Power BI data analyst.
Yes, yes. I'm asking to Aman. Aman Khan. Aman, are you there? Okay, it seems he's not there. Okay, no worries, Chiru. Like you already have 6 years of experience. You have seen the shift. So,
Yeah.
right? So I think it is again like lot of factors depends on your current CTC also.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah, hi, this is Ambika. I have one question.
Okay, Ambika, please go ahead.
Yeah, right now I'm in the USA. So, what is the market in Power Platform? Right now, I am working as a no, I joined as a full stack Power BI. So it's almost completing. So I wanted to continue with Power Platform, and I wanted to know how is the market in USA job market.
In USA also, so basically any countries out of India, like it depends on your visa status and all other things also, right? But if we talk about market recently, like from Morning Watch, there was a guy called as Chaitanya. He got placed into 3, 4 organization in USA itself. So market wise, like there is or there are openings in US also because any work that we get in India, it's 60% from US, right? It is outsourcing your US done in India, right?
Yes, yes,
The TCS, HCL, Infosys, all these guys do what? They do outsourcing only US work, right? So
yes, yes.
we are getting work in
Most of
India.
the
Why? Because
offline.
yeah, why? Because there is a demand in US, right? So automatically you will be getting jobs there. Again, keep one thing in mind, you will be getting opportunity. Okay, so
Mm-hmm.
you have to turn that opportunity into, I would say people will call it luck, right? But I will not call it luck. So it will be opportunity plus the hard work that you will be putting in. So once you will get that opportunity, and automatically you will be able to basically you can feel lucky at that time, right? So
Mm-hmm.
opportunities are there in the market, but you again, like you can go ahead and do your research on the platforms that US have, right? So you will be getting a lot of openings. See, even I was saying on LinkedIn, there are openings in US also.
Okay, sure. Thank you.
Thank you. Guys, we have 10 minutes. So any doubts, anything? Yes, Ishwari.
Um, so one quick question. I know the session that is happening is nighttime, evening time, 6 to 7. I just
Yeah.
wonder, do you have session for morning timings? That's number one. Or if there is no sessions, I would say, is there any these same classes that are recorded that I can watch that is available? So these two questions, because I'm not sure if I go to job, I would be able to focus much on this during this time. So
So Ishwari, to
uh,
answer your question, we have a parallel morning batch which is running. That is 8 a.m. IST to 9:30 a.m. IST. Okay.
mm,
And there, I guess we have completed almost 30 sessions. So what you can do, you can enroll here and request the team to give you access for morning batch. Okay. And
okay.
otherwise, if you want to join the morning batch, not new with like in from the beginning itself, live. So then next morning batch will be starting in the last week of November month.
Last week of November. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So that will be 1 hour or 1.5 hours for
One and a
every
half
day.
hours. Yeah.
Okay. Eight to
So
nine
this
thirty.
will this is 1 hour because look, I told you guys, right? I'm a working professional, so I have a
Mm,
commitment at 7. So it is 1 hour, 6 to 7, and after few weeks, I would 7 to 8 weeks, because in November there will be daylight savings and ends, right? And those starts,
right.
whatever it is. So it will the
Mm,
time will get shift for 1 hour. So then we will have this class from 6 to 7:30.
okay. All right. Yeah, that's the main thing I want to ask. And one more thing, how in depth I will be able to learn in Power BI?
Power BI,
See,
we are covering. You are you a Power BI developer, Ishwari, by any
yes,
chance? Okay,
I do. Because
let let me show.
I was in the ETL all those stuffs, but recently I have to do mainly for Power BI project. When I was having some issues with dynamic execution, all those things, it's like they have a Microsoft always updates, right? So I'm not able to use, especially in the calendar and all those things. So I just wonder, are you covering up the
No, if you
uh,
want to go into those much nuances, so then I think Power BI full stack is the good course for that. Because here we are
oh,
touch basing everything. I will cover
mm,
every topic, but if you talk about a particular like calendar control, issues with calendar control and all, so then there
mm-hmm.
you will be having 50 sessions for Power BI. They will be explaining every control. This is how it will work. So it is more like a I would say I would not say introductory course also, and I would not say intermediate also. So it is advanced course only, but as far as power, this thing, Power Platform developer is concerned, because being a Power Platform developer, you will hardly be
Mm,
working on this Power BI. You will mostly be working on Power Apps and Power
mm.
Automate.
Okay, okay.
Yeah,
Thank you. Because I want to be clear on that. So
yeah,
power
yeah, correct.
stack, a power stack means I have to go to that session. So that is the different timings that's happening right now, or you have
Yeah, so
recorded?
they will not be covering the Power Platform. They will be covering the Power BI stuff. Power BI, full stack Power BI is a different curriculum altogether. So you can
Okay,
go through that. I am not sure when it is happening. So you can get on a touch with the team so they can help you in that.
okay. All right.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank
Yeah.
you.
Thanks.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Who else?
Am I audible?
Supriya, you are, but your voice is little low.
Uh,
Hi, sir.
okay. Hello.
Hello.
Can you please wait? Supriya got unmuted earlier. So
Mhm.
let her ask that out, then I will give you a chance, Vivo.
So I wanted to ask, like, how much experience can we show once we are done with the course?
Again, Supriya, like it depends like how much you are practicing, how much you are comfortable with it. So if provided you are very good, you have practiced all the stuff, you can easily show the experience anywhere between 2 to 4 years of experience, depending on how much you have practiced, how much you are good with the stuff.
Because mostly in market they ask for data-driven, like model-driven apps, not data-driven.
Correct.
So, so mostly when I like because I've worked on Power Apps already, so I've created few apps on Canvas.
Mm-hmm.
But when it comes to the interview, they mostly ask for model-driven app, and I go blank. I have nothing to say in that because I don't have access to data words and all.
No worries, Supriya. Like I would love to hear your feedback again after the Power Apps is completed. So
Okay.
that's what I can say for now. Everything will be covered. So you
Okay.
have to be, I would say, keep your head down for
Mm.
next, I would say 2 months, because in next 2 months Power Apps will be over. So then you will get all the questions answered. Again, my priority is not that you should go ahead and clear your interview. My priority is to give you guys the skill which is required. Interview is the byproduct that you will automatically clear.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yes. So there was someone else also with name as Bivo.
Hi,
Yeah.
sir. This is
Yeah.
Nandakishore here.
Yes.
Is there any recording sessions if I miss the class?
Yes. Very good question. So you will be getting recordings also, guys, available with you, and it is valid for 1 year. So in the portal itself, you will be able to see the recorded classes.
Oh,
Okay.
thank you.
Yes.
And here one more question.
Yeah.
Already any batch is started another time like morning or evening time.
Yeah, that's what I was saying. Like a Parliament morning watch is going on. So there we already have 30 sessions. Their Power BI is done. Canvas app we will be finishing in the early next week. So yeah,
If I chance to join in that class as well.
yeah, you can get in touch with the team. They will explain how it works.
No, no. I'm asking. I will join in this class as well, and morning as well. Those classes I need to attend pretty
Yeah, that's
shortly.
what I'm saying. You get in touch with the team, they will explain you how it works.
Oh,
Okay. And guys, can I make one request to each one of you? Please take care of the names that you have, display names. So someone like Xiaomi, Vivo, Lenovo. So like so that I can know with whom I'm interacting. It is not good to call with these names, right?
Yeah, hi, this side Rashmi.
Rashmi. Okay. Rashmi, can you please change your display name in the next class?
Sure, actually, this is my office laptop, so that's why.
Yeah, I'm able to see Lenovo PF3 something. So
Correct. Yeah.
that's fine. Go
I
ahead,
have
please.
one doubt. Can I ask? I mean,
Yeah.
yeah, I'm also from the non-IT background, and I've just came across to this Power Platform because heavy coding, and I can't do this, so that's why. But can you just tell me that what is the difference between like Power BI, full stack developer, and Power Automate? Is this the right choice to choose, and which has the future growth?
Power BI full stack developer is nothing more. That is a data analyst course. Okay.
Data. Okay.
Yeah. So this is Power Platform developer course. Here you will be learning Power BI, Power Apps, Power Automate, Power Virtual Agent, whatever I have explained in that screen, right, with red color. So everything you will be learning here.
Okay. And in last session, I think you told that, this is a AI completely. So there is no chance that, like AI can take over this job fully. So is this, I
Yeah,
mean,
with that I again that is something that I can't predict from the future. But this is already automated stuff. You are not doing the unnecessary stuff like you are writing code for the text box. You are writing the code to change the color. All those things are already automated here. Okay, so whatever you are spending the time on, that is the actual thing that you are doing. So I think with the adoption of AI, these product will boom more rather than like what to say, rather than getting obsolete, it will boom more. Might be in the next 5 years. I don't see any issue with these.
after 5 years, we need to upgrade
Again,
yours.
like I can't go ahead and tell for 20 years, right? Otherwise, you will say, okay, Indra, where are you? Right?
What you
So, yes. Because again, like I am not someone like who is not working on the stuff. My career is also dependent on this. I am working day in, day
okay,
out on
okay.
all this stuff. Okay. So, yeah.
Because I'm in IT staffing industry, so I know that how it works. But again, like for Java and I mean other coding, like if I talk about the other coding roles, I mean it's evergreen and it's in demand actually. So that's why.
Yeah, Java and all like that, then you will be going into backend development. And if you are into staffing industry, you must be knowing, right? How it
Correct.
is for front-end developers now.
Mm-hmm.
So for backend developers also there are very, I would say, niche job roles, right? Because those will be required for product companies. And if you are going into this thing, I have seen various people like backend developers for Java, they are earning around 9, 10 LPA. And similarly, like the people who are into this business applications, they are earning much more than that. So again, like it depends on individual to individual also. So yeah, this is how it is. So guys, we are left with last 2 minutes. So I have hard stop at 7. So any other questions? Anyone? Cool, guys. In that case, please join the class tomorrow on time. Okay. And then we will start with our first module, which is called as Power BI. Okay. Thank you, everyone. Thanks for attending the class. Hoping to meet you all
Thank
tomorrow.
you.
Take care. Bye bye.
Bye.
Thank you.